Welcome to English in a Minute. A zone is any area set apart from another area.
Zone out.
Let's hear what Anna and Jonathan have to say about this one.
So like I was saying, I said to Jonathan, what are you doing?
Oh, sorry, Anna. I guess I zoned out for a second there. I was thinking about all the trout I hope to catch on our fishing trip.
Well, stop. We have a 3-hour drive to the lake, and I have a lot of stuff to talk to you about.
To zone out means that you are not concentrating. Your mind starts to think about other things rather than what you are doing. Or you daydream, like Jonathan. He zoned out thinking about all the fish he wants to catch on his fishing trip with Anna. And that's English in a Minute.